Hello, I'm Rahul, and today I'm going to talk about the problem of living with guilt. I think most of us might have experienced the feeling of guilt at some point in life. And when one is living under the burden of guilt, it becomes way too difficult for us to focus on the present moment, to totally enjoy the present moment. That's why it becomes really important for all of us to get to the very root of guilt and eliminate it completely. So let's try to understand what guilt is and how to overcome it. I'll give you a very simple 3-step tool that will help you in dealing with the guilt in the best possible way. So let's begin with what is guilt. Guilt is just feeling bad about yourself or hating yourself because of something that you did in the past, something that now you consider to be wrong. And because of this very consideration, you're kind of haunted by the guilt. Every day you just remember that experience of the past that caused guilt, and every time that you remember that experience, you just relive that painful experience over and over again. So it's really unintelligent to live like this. For example, let's say that you cheated your boyfriend or girlfriend. Now it was a one-time event. I think you have already suffered for it. The moment you cheat, you suffer, because essentially we all are moralistic creatures, ethical creatures. Whenever we make the mistake, we already create a suffering for ourselves. Something that happened in the past, does it really make sense to suffer for it for your whole life? No, not at all. But a guilty mind lives in a perpetual state of suffering. A guilty mind does not know how to live in the present moment. First off, you need to understand that the past is over. Nothing can be done about it. So guilt is totally absurd. Secondly, don't feel bad for something that happened in the past. We all are fallible people. We all make mistakes, and it's perfectly fine to make mistakes. And thirdly, the problem is that we take our actions too seriously. We think that we are making these conscious decisions all the time. We are always in the driver's seat, and that's not the case. Most of our decisions are unconscious decisions, and something as trivial as a bad weather or a bad day at work can drastically interfere with our decision-making capacity. So don't blame yourself for the mistakes that you have made in the past. Now, once you have accepted the past event for what it was without blaming yourself, then you can proceed to unburden yourself through a 3-step cleansing process. Resolve, learn, and move on. So let's begin with resolve. The first intelligent step after making a mistake is to accept the mistake and try to resolve it. So if you have been rude to someone in the past, if you have cheated someone in the past, just go to that person and admit your mistake. Ask for forgiveness with your whole heart and without any expectation of being forgiven. Just do your part with total responsibility. Whether the other person will forgive you or not is totally out of your control, so don't fret about it. If you can ask for forgiveness with your whole heart without any expectations, then one thing is certain, you will feel a great sense of relief. In fact, you will be surprised by the sense of relief and relaxation that you will get with this very first step. The second step is to learn. Everyone makes mistakes without any exception. So whether you are an intelligent person or an unintelligent person, it doesn't matter when it comes to mistakes. You're bound to make mistakes. The only difference between an unintelligent and an intelligent person is that an intelligent person learns from the mistakes so that he never repeats it again. So if you have made the mistake, the second important point is to learn from it so that you don't repeat the stupid pattern again. So reflect on your mistake, learn the lesson, and never repeat it. That's all you can do about the mistake. Now the third step is to move on. Now, once you have taken these steps with all honesty, allow yourself the freedom to move on in life. You have dealt with the mistake in the best possible way. Celebrate it. Celebrate it because you have evolved into a better person. You have learned from your mistake, and appreciate yourself for that too. And now be completely over and done with the guilt of the past. Now you can proceed to live without any burden of the past. Lastly, I just want to say this thing to you, that even after taking these 3 steps, there is a possibility that some people might experience these thoughts of guilt again. Why? Because our mind is a mechanism. It functions on the basis of patterns that it has developed in the past. So the longer you have lived with guilt, higher becomes the odds to experience such thoughts. I want to tell you that if such a situation ever arises, just don't entertain your thought. Just laugh about it. And you can also talk to your mind. Just say to your mind that I know what you're doing, but I'm not going to become a victim of these mechanical patterns because I've already dealt with my problem. I've already dealt with my guilt. Now don't bother me. If you can talk to your mind every time when it bothers you with the guilt of the past, then sooner or later the mind will understand. You will become the master and the mind will listen to you, and these thoughts will disappear. Just don't give up and take these 3 simple steps to get rid of any guilt that you are carrying within yourself. So I hope that you will do it, and I wish you all the best for that.